just before saying that, just can you say what is meant by number line? A number line means it is a real number line. So what is meant by real number line? Real number line means, suppose we have a number line, real number line, where at the middle it is 0 and the right of the 0 is +1, +2, +3, +1, 2, 3, +4, +5, +6 and so on, right now. It will go up to infinity. And to the left of 0 it is we called negative numbers. To the left of 0, like if you move the towards left of 0, you will go to the negative, right now. You will get the negative numbers. So it will be -1, -2, -3, -4, -5 and so on. How many times you should go? Okay, so the we can say that the right hand portion is called, actually we can say that x, actually the right hand portion of the line. Suppose the positive numbers, the direction of the positive numbers, we say that on x, and direction of negative numbers we can say it is as x dash. X dash means the left portion is called a negative number. That is the notation. Okay, so that is called a number line. The question is that how to put a numbers on number line. This is very easy concept. That suppose question is that put 3/5 on number line. Put 3/5 on number line. So how to put it? Simply you have to observe that the 3/5 lies between which two numbers? 3/5 lies between which two numbers?
Between 0 and 1.
Between 0 and 1, right? Very good. Between 0 and 3/5 will lie. So just we have to draw a number line simply, and do not put the all of the numbers. Just we have to put that numbers only. That numbers means that 0 and 1 only. Okay. Except that you can put more than 1 and less than 0 number. That means four numbers you can plot. Okay, so let it be, I am plotting the numbers. Let it be -1, we are starting from -1, then 0, then 1 and then 2. I am plotting 4 numbers. So how to put 3/5? It is between which? It is between 0 and 1.
Yes.
Right? So between 0 and 1 means 3/5. Observe the fraction. 3/5 is there. That means if you choose your
3
hand,
out of 5 parts.
3 out of 5 parts. That means if you see your hand, there are 5 fingers. So you have chosen 3 fingers out of 5 fingers.
Yes.
That means 3 out of 5. So out of 5 means ki out of 5 portion 3 parts. 3/5 means, actually we say 3/5. Actually it means out of 5 portion 3/3 one, but 3 portion, but third portion. Okay, third portion. We can say like that. Okay. So how to put that? Simply, that means we have to main question is that how to out of 5 portion third portion. So 5 portions we have to make, na?
Yes.
5 portion we have to make between 0 and 1. So since the numbers lying on between 0 and 1, so between 0 and 1 plot, take 5 portions.
4 lines.
So we have to divide the region. Region means this region between 0 to 1 into 5 equal parts.
Yes.
Let's divide it. So 1, 2, 3, 4. Now it is divided into 5 equal parts.
Yes.
So actually we have to make 4 cards to 5,
Yes.
right now, like
Yes,
that.
4 cards.
4 cards to make 5 equal
5
division.
equal divisions.
So that is why first one, that is called first portion. That means it will be 1 out of 5 portion. The second one, that one will be called second portion.
2/5.
That means 2 out of 5 portion. The third one will be called third portion. That means 3/5. And the fourth one will be called 4/5. Okay, we have to plot 3/5 only. So we can make a circle on that number and fill the circle, and that will be your answer.
Yes.
That is called the plotting a number on number line. Okay, and let us take another example. Another example means, suppose the question is that put 2 whole minus 2 whole 3/4. Okay, put this number or plot this number. So first of all we have to think between which two numbers this number will lie. This number will lie between
-2 and 0.
-3 and -2. Between which two numbers? -3 and -2, because it is -2 whole 3/4.
Yes.
So if you go to the left, তুমি যত লেফটে যাবে নাম্বারের ভ্যালু ডিক্রিজ করবে।
Yes.
If you go to the left, the value of a number will decrease. That means the -2 whole 3/4, that means it is left to -2. -2 এরও লেফটে থাকবে, but not more than -3. I mean not less than -3. -3 এর লেফটে আর যাবে না। Okay, so that means actually if you draw a number line, this number will lie between -3 and -2. So
Yes.
just I am plotting that numbers only -3 and -2, so that the number line will remain clear, neat and clear থাকবে, right না? So just plotting this one. Right hand side is x and left hand side is x dash. The right hand side is called an positive portions. Okay, so question is that -2 whole 3/4 is there. So how to plot this number? See how many portions are there. What is mean by -2 whole 3/4? It means actually, it means negative 2 whole 3/4 means 2 plus 3/4. Correct?
Yes. Yes.
That means actually, if you do the if you multiply the negative -2 minus 3/4, actually this is that.
Yes.
Got it na? What is mean by that? It means -2 is there and -2, then -3/4 will go to the left. -2
It will
to
go
the
to the left side.
right. So -2 to is there na? Then -3/4 implies that means -2 এর left এ
Left.
-3/4 portion এ থাকবে, right? So we have to
There
think
will be
about
three
3/4. We have to think about 3/4, the fractional part only. 3/4 means ki out of 4 fraction. What is meant by 3/4? Out of 4 parts,
There are three.
3 parts. So we have to take 4 parts.
Yes.
So to make 4 parts, we need to 3 cards. We need to do 3 cards, right now. That means if you mark like from between -3 and -2, what is the portion between -3 and -2? This is the portion. That portion we have to cut equally, right now. Equally means ki 4 parts should be there. 4 equal parts should be there. 1 part, 2 part, 3 part, and remaining 4 part. That is the first part, that is the second part, that is the third part, that is the fourth part.
Yes.
Okay, so to make 4 equal parts, we need the 3 cards only. So how to put -2 whole -3/4? It is left of -2.
Yes.
So for negative number, count from the left. From the negative, for the negative number, count from the left. In the positive numbers, we have counted from the right now. And after 0, in that way we have counted. After 0, then 1/5, then 2/5, right now. 0, then 1/5, then 2/5, then 3/5, then 4/5, like that. So we have counted from the right portion. Started from right, it will be from the left. From the left means ki -2 whole -2, then it will be -2 whole 1/5. Then after
1/4.
that 1/4, sorry, 1/4. Then the next -2 whole
2/4.
2/4. Then this one
-2
-2 whole 3/4. And then
circle.
that one you have to put a circle and plot this one.
Yes.
Plot this one means ki it is asked in the question that you have to plot this number only. That means I have indicated that this is the number you have asked for. Okay, got it? But if anyone says that draw a number line and give a arrow like that, don't give a arrow. What is meant by arrow? Arrow means you can say that like we can assume many numbers between -3 and -2 whole 3/4. Between at this portion we can assume a lot of the numbers na?
Yes,
There are
infinite.
infinitely many numbers are there. That means you can say that suppose I am taking another example. Suppose if anyone says that 0 and 1 is there and then 2 is there, suppose here is -1. Okay, so if you mark a number line like this, suppose the question is that plot 1 only. Plot 1 means ki we have to plot just 1, simply indicate the plot 1. But if you do like this, like if you draw a number line from 0 to 1 like this, it means it indicates that you are plotting all the numbers that exist between 0 and 1. So between 0 and how many numbers are there? It can infinite numbers will be there. It can be 0.1, it can be 0.1, 0.2, 0.3, 0.00000001. Right now, how many numbers will be there between 0 and 1? Infinitely many numbers will be there. That means so this arrow indicates that we are taking all the numbers. That is not true. Right now, just it will be there. এই যে কনসেপ্টটা আছে এটাও তোমার থাকবে, দ্যাট উইল বি আন্ডার সাম কন্ডিশনস, সেগুলো তোমার ক্লাস 10 এ থাকবে, রাইট না? সেগুলো তোমার ইট কামস আন্ডার লিনিয়ার ইকুয়েশনস, প্লটিং দ্য গ্রাফ, ওকে না? ক্লাস 10 এ এই পার্টটা থাকবে, বাট দ্যাট ইজ নট আ পার্ট অফ দ্যাট পোর্শন দ্যাট আই এম আস্কিং দ্যাট হাউ টু প্লট ওয়ান নাম্বার সিঙ্গেল। তো সিঙ্গেল নাম্বার কীভাবে প্লট করবে? জাস্ট প্লট দ্যাট ওয়ান অনলি, প্লট জাস্ট নাম্বার অনলি, ডু নট বাই দ্য অ্যারো। করেন না?